The Viasat modem's blinking white light is an indicator of issues preventing it from connecting to the servers. This problem can be caused by a lack of or inadequate power, issues with the coaxial cable, or a system glitch. To resolve this issue, it's essential to start by inspecting the power cable, checking the connection at the rear of the unit to ensure it's secure. If the connection is loose, removing the cable and reinserting it firmly can resolve the issue. Next, the coaxial cable should be examined for any signs of damage, such as tears, and replaced if necessary. If the cable is in good condition, checking the connection to ensure it's secure can also help. Additionally, resetting the modem by turning it off, unplugging it from the electrical outlet, waiting for 1 to 2 minutes, and then plugging it back in and restarting it can also resolve the issue. By following these steps, the blinking white light on the Viasat modem can be addressed, and a stable connection can be restored.